Life after 40 is a remarkable chapter. It's a time when many of us find a renewed sense of purpose and clarity. We have gathered wisdom from our experiences and are ready to embrace the future with open arms. We are experienced, confident, and embracing new adventures. Whether it's traveling to new destinations, picking up a new hobby, or simply enjoying the little moments, this stage of life is filled with opportunities for growth and joy. Yet, with this stage comes a heightened awareness of our health. We start to notice changes in our bodies that we might not have paid attention to before. Regular checkups and being informed about our health become more important than ever. Our bodies change and we may face new challenges. From hormonal shifts to changes in metabolism, it's crucial to understand and adapt to these transformations. Embracing these changes with a positive mindset can make a significant difference. Taking proactive steps to support our well-being becomes essential. Incorporating regular physical activity, such as yoga or jogging, can help maintain our physical and mental health. Exercise not only keeps us fit, but also boosts our mood and energy levels. This is where the power of nutrition comes in. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can provide the necessary nutrients our bodies need to function optimally. By making conscious choices about what we consume, we can nourish our bodies from within. Preparing healthy meals at home and incorporating nutrient-dense foods into our diet can have a profound impact on our overall health. One group of nutrients that deserves particular attention is omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are found in foods like salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts, and they play a crucial role in maintaining heart health, reducing inflammation, and supporting brain function. These essential fats play a vital role in maintaining overall health and vitality, especially for women over 40. Omega-3s can also contribute to healthier skin, improved mood, and better joint health, making them a valuable addition to our diet. In this essay, we will delve into the world of omega-3s, exploring both their well-known and lesser-known benefits. From understanding how they work in our bodies to learning the best sources and ways to incorporate them into our daily routine, we will uncover the secrets to harnessing the power of these incredible nutrients for a healthier, more vibrant life after 40. Omega-3 fatty acids are polyunsaturated fats, a type of good fat our bodies need but cannot produce on their own. These essential fats are crucial for maintaining various bodily functions and overall health. This means we must obtain them through our diet or supplementation. Incorporating omega-3 rich foods into our daily meals or taking supplements can help ensure we get enough of these vital nutrients. There are three main types of omega-3s: ALA or alpha-linolenic acid, EPA or eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA or docosahexaenoic acid. Each type plays a unique role in our health. DHA or docosahexaenoic acid is particularly important for brain health and development. It is a major structural component of the brain, retina, and many other body parts. ALA is found in plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. These foods are excellent for those following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Our bodies can convert ALA into EPA and DHA, but this process is inefficient. Only a small percentage of ALA is converted into the more beneficial EPA and DHA. EPA and DHA, on the other hand, are found primarily in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are rich sources of omega-3s and are highly recommended for their health benefits. These two types of omega-3s are particularly important for their health benefits. They support heart health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and improve mental health. Omega-3s are incorporated into cell membranes throughout the body. They help maintain the integrity and fluidity of cell membranes, which is essential for proper cell function. They influence how our cells function and communicate with each other. This communication is vital for various physiological processes, including inflammation and immune response. They also play a crucial role in reducing inflammation, which is linked to various chronic diseases. Chronic inflammation can lead to conditions such as heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Essentially, omega-3s act as tiny messengers and protectors within our bodies, supporting optimal health and well-being. By incorporating omega-3 rich foods or supplements into our diet, we can harness their powerful benefits and promote a healthier, more balanced life. The benefits of omega-3 fatty acids for heart health are well established. These essential fats found in fish oil and certain plant oils play a crucial role in maintaining cardiovascular health. They are known to support the heart in various ways, making them a vital part of a heart-healthy diet. Studies have shown that EPA and DHA, two types of omega-3 fatty acids, can help lower triglycerides, a type of fat found in the blood. Elevated triglyceride levels are a significant risk factor for heart disease, and managing these levels is crucial for heart health. High triglyceride levels are associated with an increased risk of heart disease. By incorporating omega-3s into your diet, you can take a proactive step towards reducing this risk. Regular consumption of omega-3 rich foods or supplements can make a noticeable difference in your heart health. Omega-3s can also help reduce blood pressure, another important factor in maintaining cardiovascular health. High blood pressure or hypertension is a common condition that can lead to serious health issues if left unmanaged. Omega-3s have been shown to help relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing overall blood pressure. Beyond their heart protective effects, omega-3s are also crucial for cognitive function. These fatty acids are essential for brain health, supporting everything from memory to mood. They play a role in the structure and function of brain cells, making them vital for maintaining mental sharpness. DHA, in particular, is a major structural component of brain cell membranes. It helps to ensure that brain cells communicate effectively, which is essential for cognitive processes such as learning and memory. Adequate levels of DHA are necessary for optimal brain function. Adequate DHA levels are essential for maintaining healthy brain function, memory, and cognitive performance. As we age, maintaining these levels becomes even more important to support cognitive health and prevent decline. Research suggests that omega-3 supplementation may even help protect against age-related cognitive decline. By incorporating omega-3s into your daily routine, you can support both your heart and brain health, ensuring a healthier, more vibrant life as you age. Section 4. Hidden Gems. Unveiling the surprising perks of omega-3s. While the heart and brain benefits of omega-3s are widely recognized, these remarkable nutrients offer a surprising array of additional perks. One often overlooked benefit is their positive impact on joint health. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint pain and stiffness, particularly in conditions like osteoarthritis. Furthermore, emerging research suggests that omega-3s may play a role in mood regulation. Studies have linked low omega-3 intake to an increased risk of depression and anxiety. While more research is needed, some evidence suggests that omega-3 supplementation may help improve symptoms of these mood disorders. Section 5. Age gracefully with omega-3s. Skin, hair, and vitality. Aging gracefully is a desire shared by many women over 40. While genetics play a role, lifestyle factors including diet significantly impact how we age. Omega-3s can contribute to a more youthful appearance by supporting skin and hair health. These essential fats help maintain the skin's natural oil barrier, keeping it hydrated and supple. They also possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness, irritation, and even the appearance of wrinkles. Moreover, omega-3s support healthy hair growth and may help prevent hair loss, a common concern for women as they age. Section 6. Your omega-3 plate delicious sources for optimal health. Incorporating omega-3s into your diet is easier than you might think. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna, are excellent sources of EPA and DHA. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. For those who don't consume fish regularly, there are still plenty of ways to boost your omega-3 intake. Plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts provide ALA, which your body can convert into EPA and DHA, albeit in smaller amounts.